Hello guys, good morning. What is up? I hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. Welcome to a fresh new vlog. Our Hunter 350 finally has completed 500 kilometers. So in this video, we are going to take our Hunter 350 to the Royal Enfield showroom for the first service. So I see I have kept my GoPro on charging and see the accessories here. So let me quickly mount everything on my helmet and I'll meet you on the road. Okay, a quick update. Time is 10:10 a.m. in the morning and we are heading straight towards Royal Enfield showroom in Pallikarne to give my bike, the Hunter 350 for the first service. Okay, you could see 500 kilometers. No, you couldn't see here, right? See, it's 505 kilometers exactly. So let's give our vehicle to the service. Let's start. Okay, it's a bright sunny day in Chennai right now. Today is 13th of September 2023 and I got my bike delivered on 29th of August 2023. So it's hardly, I could say it's 12 to 13 days, and in 12 to 13 days itself I have completed 500 kilometers. Lol, that was so fast. This is the Yamaha showroom. Next to that, Royal Enfield showroom. This is the showroom where I purchased my bike. And so let's give our vehicle for the first service. Okay, a pothole. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்கணும் வண்டி. ஆமாம், மேலே ஏற்றிட்டுமா? ஓகே, மேலே ஏற்ற சொல்லிட்டாங்க. லெட்ஸ் கெட் அவர் பைக். Okay, this is the Royal Enfield service station, workshop station you could say. This is the service book log. I don't know whether this is needed or not. If you could see, the first service is 500 kilometers of 45 days, second service on 5,000 kilometers, third service on 10,000, and fourth service it's on 15,000, as well as the month and days is mentioned here. And they have specifically mentioned whichever is earlier. Either you complete 500 kilometers or either it's 45 days. You have to give your vehicle for the first service. So it's 500 kilometers in less than 13 days. So we are giving our bike to the service people. See the condition of my two-wheeler right now. Too much of mud and greasy. It's very dirty as of now. First service. சர்வீஸ் புக். ஆமாம், ஃபஸ்ட் சர்வீஸு. சர்வீஸ் புக் வேணுமா? ஏதாச்சும் என்ட்ரி போடுறது தேவையில்லையா? அதெல்லாம் ஆமாம், கேப்சர் ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. ஆமாம் ப்ரோ, சும்மா தான் vlogging பண்ணிட்டுருக்கேன், அதுக்காக தான். ஆமாம் ஆமாம். So this is officially the second day where my two-wheeler Hunter 350 has completed its first service, and here is the bill amount. There's somewhat charged around 1930 for the first service of Hunter 350. And look what I have found. This top box is looking pretty amazing, right? On this Meteor 350. I'm in love with this top box, man. Very soon I'm going to get it for my Hunter 350. Here is my vehicle back from service. Look at her, man.